backwards from the lights to flag. I think she can. Kelly Darling's going to take off the line and Shantae. Oh! Shannon's here on the inside of the outfit. And she just worked her way out of the inside. Right under the cup she goes. And then it went red flags chased. They'll stop everything on that run short and look, a lot of cars. Look at that, that's how you organise breakdowns. B-bar for us today.